Hello, my name is Sakwadi. In this video, I'll show you how you can change or reset your Instagram password using Instagram mobile app installed on your phone. So to start, I open my Instagram mobile app installed on my phone and I click on forget password to prompt me to find your accounts. So I type in Instagram user name, that's Techped _net. And I click on find accounts. It will prompt me to choose a way to log into my Instagram account. Here I can choose by email or I can choose by SMS. So I choose get code or link by SMS. So a short code will be sent to my phone, verify my login, get access, change my Instagram password. So I click on get code or link via XMS. And I click on continue. The confirmation has been sent to my phone. So I am opening my phone email. So the code is 654464. This is the verification code. I click on continue. It will prompt me to change my Instagram password. So I input the new password and I click on continue. Now my password has been changed. So to access it again, go to my profile, then click on settings, scroll to the top, then I sign out from my Instagram account so that I can log in the new password. I'm trying to log in again, then I type the new password. Then I click on login tab. Now I'll be able to access my Instagram account on my phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.